Have you ever pondered what life would be like on an infinite Earth? An endless expanse of land, water, and resources, stretching out into infinity. This isn't some far-fetched dream, but a thought experiment that pushes the boundaries of our imaginations and challenges the way we perceive our world. Picture this: an Earth with no edges, no boundaries, no limits. Endless plains, mountains, oceans, and forests stretching out further than the eye can see. An Earth where the concept of overpopulation becomes obsolete, where resources are abundant and housing is never an issue. Imagine the implications on our resources. With infinite Earth, resources would never run dry. Fossil fuels, minerals, water, and all other natural resources we need for our survival and development would be an endless supply. The concept of scarcity, which drives our economies and influences our politics, would cease to exist. Think about housing. The notion of overcrowded cities or lack of affordable housing would be a thing of the past. With an infinite amount of land available, every person could have their own plot, their own home, their own space. Now consider transportation. With boundless landscapes, the need for efficient transport would be paramount. We'd need vehicles that can traverse great distances quickly and efficiently. Perhaps even new modes of transport that dwarf the capabilities of our current options. But what about communication? In a world where every point is infinitely far away from every other, how would we stay connected? Would our current technology suffice? Or would we need to develop new methods of communication that can span these infinite distances? And then there's the question of security. With infinite space comes infinite places to hide, potentially leading to an increase in crime. Would our current law enforcement methods be effective? Or would we need to come up with innovative solutions to ensure safety and order? Even the grim prospect of a nuclear war takes a different turn in this scenario. With infinite Earth, the destructive power of nuclear weapons would be diluted over an infinite expanse, potentially reducing their threat. To wrap things up, an infinite Earth presents a fascinating thought experiment. It challenges our understanding of resources, housing, transportation, communication, and security. It forces us to rethink our current systems and imagine new ways of living. It makes us question the fundamental principles that govern our lives. While we may never experience an infinite Earth, exploring this concept allows us to reflect on our current limitations and encourages us to think creatively about solutions. It reminds us that our planet, while not infinite, is abundant and full of potential. So the next time you look at the world around you, try to see it not for its boundaries, but for its infinite possibilities. Because in the grand scheme of things, isn't that what Earth truly is? A realm of endless potential waiting to be discovered?